some patients are now getting turned away at the Rocky Mountain Regional VA Medical Center in Aurora today.
That's right. The VA says staff found residue on some of their surgical equipment, and they don't know what it is. 9 News reporter Lauren Scafidi is at the VA now, where the hospital has had to reschedule or even cancel surgeries. Lauren?
Yeah, for anybody who needs an emergency surgery here at the VA, they're going to get referred to another hospital. For those non-emergency surgeries, most of them are just going to get rescheduled. Now, so far, the hospital says that they've rescheduled or referred 181 surgeries total and 52 dental appointments. Here's how it all started. The hospital says that the staff was checking their surgical equipment before surgery, and they noticed some of their reusable equipment had a residue. The hospital hasn't said when staff found this, but they say they caught it before surgery, so the VA says there isn't any harm that they know of. Right now, they're still trying to figure out what that residue is and how it got there. 9 News medical expert Dr. Coley says this is alarming. She says it could be dust or something else.
There's many different possibilities for what this could be. So what we worry about the most, obviously, is some sort of biological material, right? So something left over from a previous surgery or some human tissue or protein that sort of precipitated onto the equipment that could pose an infectious risk. We might also worry about chemical residues. When we sterilize surgical equipment, we use detergents and cleaners. And if some of those precipitate any kind of salts or chemicals, that could be a particular problem as well. Mineral deposits from hard water, that could be a problem if it gets onto the equipment, because it could affect the performance of equipment, especially surgical equipment like scissors and scalpels and such, which are supposed to be really precise.
Surgeries that do not use this reusable equipment, those are still happening. But we have seen this happen before. That was in April of 2018. Advent Health Porter paused all surgeries because of contaminated surgical equipment. They actually sent out 5,800 letters home to patients warning that they could be at risk of infection or hepatitis or HPV. Live in Aurora, Lauren Scafidi, 9 News.
Yeah, Lauren, this is understandably getting a lot of people's attention this afternoon. We appreciate your reporting. Thank you.